Ever feel like airports are quietly playing games with you? Like there's some insider knowledge that everyone else seems to have, but somehow you miss the memo? Well, you're absolutely right. From the moment you step into a terminal, everything, and I mean everything, is strategically designed not to help you, but to guide your behavior and empty your wallet. But here's the thing, I'm about to level the playing field. In this video, I'm revealing 11 flight tricks that airlines and airports desperately hope you'll never discover. These aren't your typical travel tips that everyone's heard a million times. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end. Because tip number 11 reveals why you should never, and I mean never, put your bag under the seat in front of you, even though that's exactly where they tell you to store it. What I'm about to tell you will completely change how you think about airline safety and your personal belongings. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Master the free hotel shuttle hack to dodge airport fees. Here's a money-saving trick that could save you $15 or more per trip. Uber, Lyft, and taxis charge pickup surcharges at airports, ranging from $4 to $15 depending on location. Add brutal wait times, congested zones, and extra fees, and your cheap ride becomes expensive. Smart travelers use this hack. Catch a free hotel shuttle to nearby airport hotels like Holiday Inn or Marriott. These run complimentary shuttles for guests, but nobody checks if you're staying there. Once at the hotel, order your ride share from there. No airport surcharge, faster pickup, and safer locations than dark parking garages. Pro tip: it's easier rolling luggage through hotel lobbies than navigating parking structures. Research nearby hotels before landing to save cash, stress, and time. Tip number 2. Book security time slots to skip the line completely. Endless security lines crush your travel spirit, but some airports now let you skip them entirely for free, and hardly anyone knows about it. It's called reserve security time slots. Here's how it works. The day before your flight, visit your airport's website and select a specific time window for security. They email you a QR code. Arrive, scan it at a separate lane, and boom, straight through with virtually no wait. Major airports like London Heathrow, Amsterdam Schiphol, Orlando, Seattle, Brisbane, and Sydney offer this. It's perfect without business class or TSA pre-check. The trick stays hush-hush because fewer users means it works better for those who know. Search airport name reserve security time to check availability. 2 minutes booking online saves 20+ minutes in line. Tip number 3. The left lane security trick that works like magic. This one's almost too simple but works consistently like an airport cheat code. When travelers reach security, most automatically drift right. It's human nature, especially in right-side driving countries or for right-handed people. Result? Right-side lanes get absolutely clogged, even off-peak. But head to the leftmost checkpoint and you'll find dramatically shorter lines, sometimes zero wait. Here's the psychology. People gravitate toward the first available options, usually right. Nervous travelers follow crowds, assuming it's fastest. But left lanes stay overlooked, especially by tired first-time flyers. Airport staff confirm this pattern repeatedly, and business travelers swear by it. Next time, resist following the herd. Scan all checkpoints first, then head left. Save 10 to 15 minutes without memberships, apps, or upgrades. The best hacks cost nothing. Tip number 4. Track your own luggage. Don't trust the airlines. Standing helplessly at baggage carousels while everyone else's bags appear is gut-wrenching. Airlines lose millions of bags yearly, and their tracking systems are outdated and slow to update. Smart travelers use Apple AirTags or Samsung Smart Tags for real-time luggage tracking. Slip the device inside your suitcase, tucked under clothes, or in zippered pockets. Your smartphone shows exactly where your bag is on a live map. Still in departure airport, left on tarmac, or already circling the carousel. One traveler helped airport staff find her lost bag by showing GPS coordinates of its storage room location. For around $30, it's one of the best travel investments you'll make. Relying on airline tracking alone in 2025 is like using a flip phone, outdated and unreliable. Tip number 5. How airports use psychological tricks to target your wallet. Ever noticed how the carpet suddenly changes once you pass through security? Or how certain shops feel mysteriously inviting even when you have zero interest in shopping. That's not coincidence. That's sophisticated psychological airport design, and you're being deliberately influenced from the moment you walk through those doors. Let's start with something you've probably never considered: the flooring. Airports strategically use soft patterned carpeting in post-security areas to make the environment feel calm and homey, subtly telling your brain, "You're safe now, slow down and browse our shops." Meanwhile, lighting is carefully calibrated. Brighter near luxury retailers, dimmer and warmer near food courts, all designed to guide your behavior and spending patterns. But wait, there's something even more manipulative happening. Many airports now use scent marketing. Ever walk past a coffee shop that smelled suspiciously amazing even though they weren't actively brewing anything? That could be artificially pumped vanilla or cinnamon scents. Some terminals even deploy signature fragrances like citrus or lavender to boost your mood and encourage impulse purchases. The layout itself is weaponized psychology. Duty-free shops are deliberately positioned so you must walk through them after security. Narrow walkways funnel foot traffic past high-margin displays. Moving walkways are strategically placed to give you extended viewing time of expensive storefronts. It's all meticulously designed to influence your mood, your decisions, and ultimately, your wallet. Next time you're navigating an airport, pay attention to these subtle manipulations. You'll start recognizing exactly how they're steering your experience and spending habits. Tip number 6. Clean your luggage wheels. You won't believe where they've been. Here's something disgusting most travelers ignore. Luggage wheels roll through revolting places. Think about their journey. Parking lots, dirty sidewalks, bathroom floors, sticky terminals, and grimy aircraft cargo holds. Then you roll that same luggage into hotel rooms, cars, and homes. Most people wipe tray tables and sanitize hands after security, but forget those 4 wheels that have been everywhere. Those wheels transport bacteria, spilled drinks, oil, and worse directly onto your carpets and floors. The solution takes 30 seconds. Keep disinfectant wipes in carry-on pockets. After each flight, thoroughly wipe wheels before loading into vehicles or bringing them inside. Pro tip: never lean against luggage wheels when traveling with kids or sitting on airport floors. You'll be horrified by invisible contaminants. This tiny habit prevents tracking disgusting germs home. Tip number 7. Don't shop duty-free without doing this first. Duty-free sounds like automatic bargains. No taxes, cheaper prices, perfect souvenirs. But here's what the industry hopes you'll never learn. Duty-free doesn't always mean the best deal. Often you're paying more than regular stores. Airports know you're in spending moods, excited for trips or feeling deserved treats after security ordeals. That's when they strike. Popular items like alcohol, perfumes, cosmetics, and snacks can be substantially inflated despite tax-free labels. Many products are exclusive bundles or unusual sizes, making price comparisons difficult. Smart travelers research prices online before traveling, especially expensive items. Use smartphones to scan barcodes or search identical products at local retailers. That designer perfume might be $25 cheaper at neighborhood stores, or whiskey sets on clearance locally. Treat duty-free like any retail environment. Quick phone price checking saves serious money at 35,000 feet. Tip number 8. The Valyrian route plus ASMR sleep hack that actually works. Struggling to sleep on planes? You're definitely not alone, but before you reach for potentially habit-forming sleeping pills, try this surprisingly effective natural combination. Valyrian root plus ASMR content. Valyrian root is a gentle herbal supplement that's been used for centuries to promote relaxation and natural sleep. You can find it in tablet form or even as a soothing tea at most health stores. It helps reduce anxiety and quiets racing thoughts, perfect for pre-flight nerves or mid-air restlessness. Now, pair that with ASMR. Those incredibly soothing whisper-style videos featuring gentle sounds like soft tapping, brushing, or rainfall, and you've created a sleep setup that works like magic on flights. Here's the winning formula. Pop in your noise-canceling headphones, cue up your favorite ASMR playlist, take Valyrian root about 30 to 60 minutes before takeoff, and your body naturally begins winding down for sleep. There's no grogginess when you land, no weird side effects, just peaceful, restorative rest, even in cramped economy seats. This combination has quietly become a favorite among nervous flyers, frequent business travelers, and even flight attendants who need quality rest during their work schedules. It's simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective for natural in-flight sleep. Tip number 9. Never put your address on luggage tags. Here's why. You've been taught to label luggage with full name and home address for lost bag recovery, right? In 2025, that's potentially one of the least secure travel moves. Why? Your address is essentially a public theft invitation. Someone seeing your luggage tag with home address while you're traveling internationally knows with certainty your house is empty and you're thousands of miles away. While relatively rare, documented cases exist of travelers being burglarized during vacations simply because luggage revealed exact home locations to wrong people. Security experts recommend listing only name, phone number, and email. That provides sufficient information for airlines or honest people contacting you about missing bags without broadcasting home location to potential criminals. Better yet, use QR code tags or specialized tracking services linking to contact information securely and privately. Keep personal information personal, especially when bags travel without you. Tip number 10. Early flights equal fewer delays and more control. Want dramatically smoother airport experiences with fewer headaches? Book earliest morning flights available. Here's why this strategy works brilliantly. Airports operate like dominoes. One early delay creates ripple effects impacting dozens of subsequent flights, especially at busy hubs. But early morning departures are typically first out, meaning aircraft probably arrived overnight and are ready for immediate departure. Early flights benefit from less air traffic congestion, shorter security lines, and generally less chaotic terminal conditions. You're statistically more likely departing and arriving on time, meaning smoother connections, reduced jet lag, and more destination time. Bonus advantages. Early flights are often cheaper, particularly midweek bookings. For nervous flyers, morning departures mean fewer weather issues like turbulence or afternoon storms developing later. Yes, 4 a.m. wake-ups aren't fun, but neither is missing connections or tarmac delays. Consider early alarms. Future you will thank you. Before we get to the final eye-opening tip, just a quick reminder. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insider travel secrets. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite airport in the world? Some feel like mini cities with amazing amenities, others feel like stress-inducing mazes. I'd genuinely love to hear about your experiences. Tip number 11. Why you should never put your bag under the seat. Unless you know this. For years, you've been told to slide personal items under front seats. But here's what airlines don't want you realizing. It's one of the riskiest, most problematic storage locations. First, hygiene nightmares. Airplane seat carpet is rarely cleaned properly between flights. You're talking vomit traces, spilled food, bathroom germs, and bacteria cocktails from 200-plus passengers' shoes, all pressed against your belongings. Second, the theft factor. Documented reports exist, especially on long-haul overnight flights, of passengers sliding bags from under sleeping travelers. Accessible pockets essentially advertise valuables to aisle walkers. Third, constant item loss. Passengers regularly lose sunglasses, passports, or phones from partially zipped pockets when cramming bags underneath. Pro solution. Pack thin totes with flight essentials only. Charger, meds, earbuds, water. Keeping main bags overhead. Better yet, use clips securing under-seat bags to frames during sleep. It's a little-known security nobody discusses until losing valuables at 35,000 feet. If you want to avoid being denied boarding at the airport, make sure to watch the video I've linked on the end screen. Thanks for watching, and remember, safe travels.